Hello everyone, I hope you all are healthy and safe. I, Ms. Kunjan Daswani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota, welcome you all to the e-learning classes of English Grammar, and today we are going to do the revision of chapter number 15. Okay, so first we are going to revise chapter number 15, Adverbs of your English Grammar book, that is Everyday English Grammar and Composition. And for this chapter you can open your books to page number 63. Okay, so now let's see what is an adverb. So adverb adds meaning to the verb, adjectives and the other adverbs, right? As the word itself is saying, adverb, right? So it will add something to the meaning of the verb, right? So verb, adjectives and adverbs are being described by what? A word that is called as an adverb. It gives additional information. Okay, so now I am writing the definition of adverb. So it adds meaning to the verbs, adjectives and other adverbs. Okay, so an example is written in your book, that is, the bird is singing sweetly. Example is written, the bird is singing sweetly, right? This example is written. Now, adverbs are the words that tell us how an action is done, when an action is done and where an action is done. Okay, so if you have to find out the adverb in the sentence, you have to question it with either how, either when or either where. Okay, so here to find out the adverb, first we will question it. The bird is singing. I can call it how the bird is singing. Okay, so the answer I got it as sweetly. The answer we got is sweetly. Okay, so sweetly is describing the word. It's adding meaning to the verb, right? Because of that, sweetly is what? An adverb. Okay. Now we are going to see the types of adverbs that we will be studying in this chapter. Okay, so types of adverbs. Okay, first is adverb of manner. Second, adverb of time, and the last one is adverb of place. Okay, these are the three types of adverbs that we are going to see. Okay, so first, adverb of manner tells us how an action is done. Okay, how an action is done would be told us by this type of adverb, that is adverb of manner. Okay, adverb of time tells us when an action is done. Okay, time tells us when an action is done. Okay, now moving to the last type of adverb, that is adverb of place. Okay, so adverb of place tells us where an action is done. Okay, so how, when and where. How an action is done? Adverb of manner. When an action is done? Adverb of time. And where an action is done? Adverb of place. Now, we often add ly to the adjectives to change them into adverb of manner. Okay, as you have seen in the previous video, that time we have studied adjectives, right? So to make adverb of manner, what we do is we just add ly with the adjective. Okay, we add ly in the last of the adjective. Okay, so if I give you the word as loud. Okay, so to make the adverb of manner, what I will do is I'll add ly after d. Okay, loud, and then I will add ly. That will become loudly. Okay, the example is given in your book, that is slow. Okay, it becomes slowly. So this is an adjective, but this is what? Adverb. Okay, and what? Adverb of manner. Okay, so this is what? Adverb of manner. Now just one more thing, if the word is ending with y, okay, so what you will do is you will replace y with I and then you will add ly. Okay, so one more example I am giving you, that is heavy. If the word is heavy, it's ending with y. Okay, this is what? An adjective. Okay, to make adverb, what we will do is we will replace y with I and then we will add ly. So this is what? An adverb, which is adverb of manner. Okay, now moving to some examples of adverb of time. It's written today, never, tomorrow. Okay, so these are some examples of adverb of time. When I move to adverb of place, so examples are outside, inside, everywhere. Okay, so these are examples of adverb of place, which tells us where an action is done. Okay, now moving to the exercise. Okay, now moving to the exercise. Exercise number A, which is given on page number 63. So first one, what is the first one? What you have to do is fill in the blanks by adding ly to the adjectives given in brackets. We have studied what we have to do. We have to add ly, okay, to the adjective to form the adverb. Okay, that thing only we have to do over here. So first one, first sentence is the magician shouted dash, and the adjective given to us is loud, which I told you over here. Okay, so what we will add, loud is an adjective and now we have to fill the blank with an adverb. We will just add ly. So the answer for the first one is loudly. Okay, now moving to the second one, Zafar dash said goodbye to his friend, and the word given to us is sad. Sad is an adjective and then we will add ly to form the adverb. So the answer for this one is sadly. Okay. Now we are going to do exercise number B, which is given on page number 64. What you have to do is you are given with a help box over here. In the help box, the words are written like every day, yesterday, tomorrow, now, today and always. So these are the words which are written in the help box. We have to use these words to fill in the blanks, okay, with the suitable adverb of time. Okay. Now the B exercise, first one, that is Joseph is dash the first one to reach the playground. From the box, the suitable answer for this blank would be always. Okay. So answer for the first one would be always. Now moving to the second one, dash we play together with our other friends. So the suitable answer for this blank would be every day. So this is the answer for the second one. Now moving to the next exercise, which is given on page number 65. Okay, on page number 65, in the sentences given below, underline the adverb of place. What we need to do is we have to underline the adverb of place in the C exercise. Okay, in the C exercise, the first one, that is my school is 2 kilometers away from my house. So which word is showing where an action is done? That is away. So what is the underlined adverb of place? Which word we need to underline? Which adverb? That is away. So you need to underline away. Okay, you need to underline this. Okay. Now moving to the next exercise. Circle the adverbs that describe the underlined verbs in each sentence. Okay. So here the verbs are underlined and we have to circle the adverbs that are describing the underlined verbs. Okay. So the singer did not sing well and the underlined verb is sing. Okay. So the word which is describing, which is telling us about the verb, that is well. Okay, so D exercise, first one, what you need to do is you have to circle. You have to circle when. Okay, now moving to the last exercise, that is E exercise. Underline the adverbs in the following sentences. Write which kind of adverbs they are. First you have to underline the adverbs and then you have to tell which kind of adverb it is. Okay. So he picked up the little boy gently. Okay. Here the word which is used to describe, which is used to add meaning to the verb, adjective or an adverb is what? Gently. So gently is an adverb and which kind of adverb it is? It's an adverb of manner. So E exercise, first one, gently is an adverb. You have to underline gently, and which type of adverb? It's an adverb of manner. Okay. So this was the exercise of chapter number 15, adverbs. Okay, I hope you have understood it well. Stay fit, stay at your home. Thank you.